Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Let's start. To make this you need Capcut. If you don't have Capcut, first download Capcut application. After downloading Capcut, click the template link given in the description. You will be directed on this page. If you are from India, you have to use VPN to make this work, cause Capcut is banned in India. Now click on Use Template in Capcut. Now click on Use Template. Now add your 2 photos. Then click on Next. Now your video has been created. Click on Edit Text to write your own text. Now click on Export. Then click on Export without watermark. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.